For Halloween, let's make a Slaw-ter Burger with a homemade black bun. We're going to start with a red slaw by combining cabbage, a red onion, red pepper, red wine vinegar, mustard, some sugar, celery seed, some salt. We're going to just put all that in a food processor and then let that sit, and there's your slaw. For our homemade hamburger buns, the recipe's in the description. For that black color, we're going to add some edible charcoal. Once those have risen, we're going to get them ready to put in the pizza oven, top them with some sesame seed. We're going to throw them in the pizza oven and let them cook. When they're done, we're going to go ahead and toast them up on the griddle. Then we're going to go ahead and make our burger patties. We'll top these burgers with some port wine cheese to get that color and to get that nice webbing look. Then to assemble, put some mayonnaise on the bottom, put our burger patty, top it with that red slaw, and the top of the bun. There you have it. Perfect for Halloween, the Slaw-ter Burger. Serve with a side of chips or your favorite Halloween treat. Until next time, thanks for watching.